Hello guys, welcome again. How are you? I think you guys are well. Today I'm gonna teach you how can you create a Next.js app with Yarn. First of all, you have to install Yarn globally. Okay? If you don't install your Yarn globally, you have to install it first. How can you install Yarn globally? Just paste this command on your command prompt, then press enter. After complete the installation, then you check your Yarn version. If you see your version like that, okay, if you see this kind of message, that's mean you successfully install Yarn globally. Okay, after that you have to visit this website, and here you can see this get started button. Just press this get started button and okay, click this installation menu and you can see this page. Here you can see a lot of command, but all command based on npm, node package manager, right? Npm means node package manager. Why we use Yarn? Yarn is very fast. I'm gonna teach you how can you create a Next.js app with Yarn. So first of all, you have to open your project folder with VS Code. Then you have to press Ctrl+J. Then you can see your terminal. Here you have to enter some command. So this command is yarn create next app and press enter. Okay, installation is running. Now Next.js tell us what is your project name. So please enter your project name. My website. Would you like to use TypeScript? No, I would like to use JavaScript. Okay. Would you like to use ESLint? Yes. Would you like to use Tailwind for designing purpose? Yes. Would you like your code inside? Yes. SSN directory folder? Yes. It's recommended. Would you like to use the app router? Okay, it's recommended and press yes. Okay. No, then no. Okay, now here we can see our installation is running. So it's take some time. It's basically based on your network condition, otherwise it takes some time. So just wait and watch. Here you can see we successfully install and download all of our packages, and we successfully create our Next.js app. Now we have to change the directory. So type here cd and your project folder name, my website. Okay, now clear this screen and just okay, clear this screen and type here yarn dev. Okay, now our live link is okay, yeah, now our live link is available. If we visit this link, we can see our application. Compiling is running. Okay, compiled successfully. We successfully create Next.js app with Yarn. Guys, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.